Spring is great to be in the garden in New Zealand. The flowers are blooming and there's plenty to get done. Here are some great ideas to get you started this month in New Zealand. In October, there are lots of things to be planting right now. This month, it's all about tomatoes. There's nothing like homegrown tomatoes. They taste great and are easy to grow. There's a huge range available in all shapes, sizes and colours. They love full sun and well-drained soil. Get the kids involved too. Plant some seed in a small pot, put it in a shelter position and watch it grow. There's a lot of things we can plant at the moment, such as hydrangeas, roses and lavender. Hydrangeas are the stars of a summer garden with their long flowering season. Add a pop of colour with some petunias, calipachoas, dianthus, verbenas and impatiens. If you don't know what to plant in your garden, come to your local Bunnings store and we'll point you in the right direction. It's also a good time to get some edibles in too. Plant beans and carrot seeds, but for quicker results, plant seedlings for summer crops, such as capsicums, celery, chilies, eggplants, courgettes like pumpkins and zucchini will also do well. Plant successive crops of lettuce for summer salads. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, bring your receipt or your tax invoice and we'll refund it. In October, we should be harvesting broccoli, silver beets, cauliflower, cabbages, oranges, strawberries, limes and lemons. There are plenty of jobs to do in the garden now that everything is growing. Prune shrubs like azaleas as they finish flowering to promote new growth. Get cracking on some lawn maintenance. It's a good time to use weed and feed on the lawn. This will kill any broadleaf weeds. Give veggies a boost. As spring bulbs finish, fertilise them too, so they reward next season. Spray citrus at pre-blossom stage with copper. This will control a fungal disease that causes warty lesions on the skins of lemons and brown rot. Spring is an awesome time to be in the garden in New Zealand, and of course if you have any questions, come into your local Bunnings store. Click here for more garden advice and click here to go back to the website.